Hi friends, welcome back. I'm here at the Home Depot out in the garden center. It is another beautiful day to be out here looking at beautiful plants. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. All right friends, so today we're going to look at some bulletproof perennials, something that you can count on year after year. So that's what we're in the search for today. And you cannot have a garden of any perennials without this one, hostas. Oh yes, hostas are amazing, and they grow and you can divide them, guys. You can never go wrong with the hostas. So right here we're looking at by the Home Depot. It is $16.98. It needs part sun. It is so huge. Oh my goodness. This one is the guacamole. It gets 22 to 36 inches tall and wide. You want to space it 20 to 24 inches apart. Water when dry, hardy, minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and it blooms early to late summer. Yes, guys, it is a beautiful plant. This one by Proven Winners, another beautiful hosta. And this one is $12.98. It is called the Shadowland Coast to Coast. It needs part shade, and this one is in a 2.5 quart size. So this one gets 30 inches tall. The spacing is 36 inches. Hardy in zones 3 to 9 to minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. It blooms midsummer, part shade to shade. Oh yes, that yellow is beautiful. This is the PEDICURE drinking gourd. It is the hosta of the year, and this is by the Home Depot. This one is $8.98. It gets 14 to 16 inches tall and wide. The spacing is 24 to 36 inches. Water when dry, and the hardiness is minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. It blooms mid to late summer. Hostas are good for borders, and they are also good for containers. And they also look good right in front of shrubs. Yes. So here, guys, we have the coral bells or heucheras by Vigoro for $9.98. Another wonderful plant to have year after year. The habit is mounding. The height is 10 to 18 inches. The spacing is 12 to 18 inches. Water when dry. Hardiness, minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Blooms late spring to summer. And we have one by Proven Winners here. Let's see. It's $12.98 by Proven Winners. Same pot size, guys, which is a 2.5 quart size. Here we have the Mexican petunia. It is also a perennial. So this one needs part sun. It is $19.98 by Home Depot. This one gets 24 to 36 inches tall and wide. The spacing is 14 to 18 inches. Water when dry. Hardy is 10 degrees Fahrenheit, and it blooms early summer to fall. For this beautiful Mexican petunia. Isn't she beautiful? I think it'll look beautiful in a pot. Yes. Alrighty, guys, this perennial is the verbena. It needs full sun, and this one is $16.98. It gets 8 to 12 inches tall and wide. The spacing is 18 inches. Water when dry, and hardy 10 degrees Fahrenheit. It blooms early spring through fall. Alrighty, friends, we have the beautiful lantana here. It is $8.98. So this one is multicolor. It gets 36 inches tall and wide. You want to space it 6 inches apart. Water when dry. The hardy is 30 degrees Fahrenheit, and it blooms late spring through fall. Now this plant doesn't look like anything right now, guys, but when it starts blooming, it is beautiful, especially if you mass plant it. I absolutely love this one. Okay. And who doesn't love a Shasta daisy? Oh yeah. This one needs full sun, and it is $8.98. This one gets 12 to 26 inches tall and wide. The spacing is 12 to 24 inches apart. Water when dry. Hardy, minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit, and it blooms early summer to fall. Yes, for the beautiful Shasta daisy. Just make you smile when you see this. So pretty. Alrighty guys, we all know clematises are wonderful. Some of my neighbors have these at their mailbox and they are gorgeous and they just grow, you know, over time. So the clematis needs full sun. It is $17.98. It says deer resistant and outstanding color. So this one blooms mid-spring to mid-fall. The height is 4 to 15 feet tall and wide. The spacing is 24 to 36 inches. Hardy, minus 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Water weekly, more often until roots establish. Yes guys, for this beautiful clematis. Such a beauty here. I think it looks good going up on a trellis, like up on your house. And it also looks beautiful at the mailbox. Really, really pretty. Alrighty friends, now you know we have to have a pop of color in the yard with Miss Tickseed here. Oh yes, this yellow orange is beautiful. So this one is $8.98 by the Home Depot. So this one gets 24 inches tall and wide. The spacing is 12 to 18 inches apart. Water when dry. Hardy, minus 30. Blooms late spring through the summer. For Miss Tickseed, oh yeah, another beautiful plant guys. It'll be really pretty your front porch or even in your window boxes. If you want a pop of color, oh yes, that would look gorgeous. Miss Garber here, oh yes, another beauty here, $8.98 by the Home Depot. So this one is full sun. It gets 36 to 48 inches tall and wide. The spacing is 24 to 36 inches. Water when dry. Hardy, minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit, and it blooms early summer to mid-fall. Yes, it is so whimsical, guys. If you like whimsical looking plants, this is it right here. Miss Gara. Another beauty. Look at this beauty here in this color. Oh my goodness, how pretty. Another heuchera. So yes, this was $9.98 as well. It's just in a different color. Isn't it beautiful? This is the Bleeding Heart for $16.98. It needs part sun. It gets 30 inches tall and wide. The spacing is 36 inches. Water when dry. Hardy, minus 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and it blooms mid-spring to summer. And this is a 1.6 gallon size for the Bleeding Heart. Alrighty friends, here we have the beautiful Speedwell here. Oh yes, another wonderful perennial. This one is $8.98. This one gets 4 to 12 inches tall and wide. The spacing is 15 to 24 inches apart. Water when dry. Hardy, minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. It blooms mid to late summer. Oh yes, Miss Speedwell guys, how beautiful. And this one is called the Veronica. So guys, this is a perennial fountain grass. This one is by the Home Depot. It needs full sun, gets 2 to 5 feet tall and wide. The spacing is 30 to 48 inches. Water when dry. Hardy, minus 10, and it blooms mid-summer to mid-fall. If you want a reason to smile out in the garden, look no further for this beautiful Asiatic lily. It comes in multiple colors, guys, and this one is $9.98 by Vigoro. So this Asiatic lily is known as Tiny Double Dutch. Alrighty, so it says bigger, bolder, and better gardens. The habit is upright. The height is 14 to 16 inches. Spacing 24 inches. Water when dry. Hardy, minus 40. Blooms late spring to summer. Oh yes, guys. This one gives you a reason to smile. Okay, guys. Another perennial that is almost impossible to kill or to get rid of, even after you pull it up. It's going to be none other than the ajuga. Oh my goodness. So this one needs part sun. It gets 6 to 10 inches tall and wide. The spacing is 12 to 15 inches. Water when dry. Hardiness 40 degrees. Hardy, minus 40. Blooms mid to late spring. Oh yes, guys, it is such a beautiful plant. This one is really pretty. This one is a pot sun perennial. This one is called Heartleaf Brunera. It gets 18 to 24 inches tall and wide. The spacing is 18 inches. Water when dry. Hardy -40. Blooms early to late spring. Isn't that beautiful? Friends, so we all know about lavender. Such a beautiful purple here. And this lavender smells so good. It is full sun. It gets 24 inches tall and wide. The spacing is 12 to 24 inches. Water when dry. Hardy -20, and it blooms late spring through the summer. Alrighty friends, now if you want a little color, variegated color in your garden, this is going to be perfect for you. So this one is by Vigoro. It is $9.98, and this one is called Sweet Flag. It has a mountain habit. It gets 18 to 24 inches tall and wide. The spacing is 12 inches. Water when dry, and hardy -10. And this is a 2.5 quart size here. What a sweet name. Another great grass is this sage, $9.98, and this one's by Vigoro as well. The habit is tufted. Height is 6 to 20 inches. Spacing is 18 to 24 inches. Water when dry. Hardy, 0 degrees. And blooms early to late summer. Guys, I think you're going to get your money worth whenever you buy perennials, because perennials always come back year after year, and you cannot beat that. I would recommend you try to do everything at once. You first want to start with your trees and your shrubs, and then you want to move on to your perennials, and you can just have fun year after year, just with your annuals. That is the way I would recommend you start your garden. Okay, so I can't leave without showing you guys the deal they have on this potting mix. So the Miracle Grow 25 quart potting mix is 2 for $16. The 1.5 organic raised bed garden soil is 2 for $16 as well. Okay, this Miracle Grow all-purpose plant food is $9.97, and let me tell you, I purchased one of these a year ago, and I still have this one. Yes, it lasts a very long time for a very affordable price. And they have the smaller one here for $8.97. And then if you want the sprayer, guys, it is $16.98. This indoor potting mix is $5.97 by Miracle Grow. The moisture control potting mix is $6.97. Cactus, palm, and citrus potting mix is $6.97. Miracle Grow also have the plant food spikes. And let's see, what's the price? Quick Start Planting and Transplant Starting Solution is $14.97 for 48 ounces. And here we have the indoor plant food feeds instantly for $6.97. And all of these products are by Miracle Grow. Okay guys, that is it here today at the Home Depot. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. And guys, don't forget to go and watch some of my other videos I've uploaded. I would appreciate that very much. And again, thanks to everyone who has been shopping my links down in my descriptions. I appreciate you all, and thank you, thank you, thank you. And until next time, you all be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.